they, after Bhaktisiddhanta left, some 4 or 5 became Acharya. And they took a bit of Bhaktisiddhanta's Gaudiya Math, splintered into 4 or 5 sections. And each made his own field. But what happened? No potency, no result. How Bhaktisiddhanta in his time made so many centers all over. Now they splintered it and no potency. So what happened now in ISKCON? They made so many gurus, no potency. Where are the devotees? America has not made any devotees. Australia, no devotees. Where are the white devotees? All Indians are managing in America. All congregation, our Silicon Valley and all these IT people and Indian community is managing the temples there. Where are the white devotees? In Russia, they are doing good. Middle East, this Eastern Europe. But in England, where hardly any new devotees. Where's the potency? Australia, everywhere. Indians are taken over, ISKCON management, and some program is going on. Some RT, I've heard in San Francisco, one Indian man who's probably a Brahmin, who's trained, he'll come and do Mangal Aarti in the morning, do all the puja, close the door, go and do his job. Evening he'll come again and do some puja. Finish. Where's the living temple like before? So same like Gaudiya Math. They became Acharya, but no effect. Prabhupada said there will be no effect. They can be. You can do anything you want. Krishna will allow you. No effect. In India, they made a lot of temples. They built big things. But India is like that. In India, you have Rahim Baba also. They have big following. Lakhs. Big temple, money. India is like that. India, you build temple, no big deal. There are many people who will give.